Yes, sir. So we are going into solve this question from the joint product and byproduct. I already said that this is one of the beautiful question. How we are going to approach the question, I believe that you would have tried at least once. So this is the calculation of quantity produced. My dear lovable students, we have to see the answer on a department wise. For example, in department 1, 4 lakh kg has been introduced, which is there in the question. Out of that 4 lakh kg, 10 percentage of that 4 lakh kg is normal loss. So 4 lakh into 10 percentage comes to 40,000 kg we will lose in department number 1. So the balance will only be 3,60,000 kg. And they are specifically saying that out of the total input, 50 percentage will be production of A, which comes to 2 lakh kg, my dear lovable students. And 40 percentage will be, sir, product B. So 1,60,000 kg. And this 2 lakh kg, which is nothing but the product A, will be the input for process, that is department number 2. And this 1,60,000 kg will be the input for department number 3. Super, sir. And in department number 2, 2 lakhs divided by 5, we will lose 40,000 kg and balance 1,60,000 kg will come out. And the entire 1,60,000 kg will only be product A and nothing will be there for the product, sir, B. Fantastic to the core. Whereas in department number 3, it is not normal loss. It will be doubled. That means weight lost or added in department number 3, we will be having a gain of, or the production will be doubled by 1,60,000 kg. So totally we will be having 3,20,000 kg. And it will not be product A, it will be product B of 3,20,000 kg, my dear lovable students. I believe that this analysis you have done perfectly. If you got this analysis, which is what is happening in department 1, department 2 and department 3, then you can easily crack the question. Fantastic to the core. Coming to the, sir, statement of apportionment of joint cost, you tell me what is the output in kg? The first one, sir, department 2, the output 2 lakh kg is the output for product A. And for product B, 1,60,000 kg is the output. If you are selling this at split off point, this is not the ultimate output. After processing at department 2, this 2 lakh is becoming 1,60,000 kg. And after processing at department 3, sir, this 1,60,000 kg is becoming double 3,20,000 kg. That is after further processing. But the first part of the question I have been asked that what will be the share of joint cost if you are apportioning based upon sale value at split off point. So at split off point, my output is 2 lakh and 1,60,000 kg, my dear lovable students. And they themselves given the selling price as 8 per kg and 4 per kg. So 2 lakh into 8 comes to 16 lakh. And 1,60,000 into 4 comes to 6,40,000. I believe that you are very comfortable here. So basically, what is the total joint cost? Total joint cost is equal to 17,50,000. So 17,50,000 into basically 160 divided by 160 plus 640. So basically 160 plus 640 comes to 800 total in total. So 17,50,000 is the total joint cost into 160 divided by 800. Sir, 16 lakhs plus 6,40,000. 16 lakhs plus 6,40,000 comes to 22,40,000 total, not 800. 22,40,000 total, my dear lovable students. So 17,50,000 into 16 lakhs divided by 22 lakh 40,000 comes to 12 lakh 50,000 is the share of joint cost to the first product if we are splitting based upon split off point, sale value at split off point. Here the balance, which is nothing but 17 lakh 50,000 minus 12 lakh 50,000, the balance will be how much lakh? 5 lakh. By that way, we can find out. So the second statement also done. I am coming to the statement of cost per kg. Now I know that what is the share of joint cost, what is the particular specific further processing cost, right sir? You tell me what is the output kg. Ultimate output is 1,60,000 kg and 3,20,000 kg. This output is after further processing. Getting it? What is the share in the joint cost? Rupees 12,50,000 and rupees 5 lakh. That means I spend totally 12,50,000 for 1,60,000 kg means 7.8125 per kg is the share of joint cost. And here I spend 5 lakh for 3,20,000 kg means 1.5625 is the share of joint cost per kg, my dear lovable students. And we are incurring specifically further processing cost that is specific to each department. At the second department, for further processing, we are incurring 2,60,000 specifically given in the question. And for product B, we are incurring 3 lakh rupees, the same. So I spend 2,60,000 for 1,60,000 kg. It comes to 1.625 per kg is the cost. And 3 lakhs divided by 3,20,000 comes to 0.9375 per kg. Fantastic to the core. My dear lovable students, 7.8125 plus 1.625 comes to 9.4375 is the total cost per kg which I have incurred. 1.5625 plus 0.9375 comes to 2.5 per kg is the total cost, which means share of joint cost plus further processing cost. I believe that you are able to appreciate or understand. Coming to the next part of the question. We have to calculate the profit. In order to calculate the profit, we know what is the closing stock, because sales plus closing stock minus opening stock minus purchases will give you the gross profit. So in the question, they specifically told that they were having an output kg of 1,60,000, right? Look at the question. 1,60,000 kg is the ultimate product A and 3,20,000 kg is the ultimate product B. Out of that 1,60,000 kg, they sold 1,50,000 kg and they sold 3 lakh kg. So this will end up with a closing stock of 10,000 kg and 20,000 kg. My dear lovable students, this much stock will be there. As we all know that as per AS2, closing stock should be valued at cost or NRV, whichever is lower. In this question, no NRV and all. So we will be valuing at the cost. We know what is the total cost per kg, including share of joint cost and also the further processing cost. Comfortable? So this 1,50,000 kg has been sold for 10 rupees, my dear lovable students. So 1,50,000 into 10 comes to 15 lakhs is the sale value of the first product. Whereas 3 lakh into 4 comes to 12 lakhs is the sale value of the second product. Sir, to this sale, I have to add the closing stock, which is nothing but same like my trading account. I know I am having 10,000 kg. Just now I find out. Every kg will be valued at 9.4375. Already I have find out. So 10,000 into 9.4375, 94,375 rupees is the value of closing stock. So I have valued the closing stock. And for product B, I am having 20,000 kg. Every kg should be valued at 2.5. So 50,000 rupees is the value of the closing stock. If I add, my total total value of production will be, that is sales plus closing stock will be 15,94,375. Fantastic to the core. And here 12,50,000 rupees, my dear lovable students. This is my total sale. So in my debit side of the trading account, I have to debit the share of joint cost. I have to debit the further processing cost. That's it. I will be getting the answer. What is the share of joint cost? This is the cost detail. 12,50,000 rupees is the share of joint cost for the first product. 5 lakh rupees is the share of joint cost to the second product. Further processing cost is specific cost which is given in the question. 2,60,000 and 3 lakh, my dear lovable students. So total to total, from the total credit side, if you reduce the total cost, you will be ending up with 84,375 as profit and 4,50,000 rupees as profit here. Are you comfortable? I hope that you also got the right answer and you are enjoying the answer format of this. Now I am going to take a decision making. Is it better for product A to further process or to sell at the split off point itself? My dear lovable students, if I am further processing the entire product, not the closing stock what I am having, entire product, entire, sir, without further processing, before further processing, first I will tell, then I will move into the after further processing. If it is before further processing, I will be selling at the split off point itself. If I am selling at split off point, I can earn 16 lakhs as my revenue, right, sir? So my sale value will be 16 lakh. And I am supposed to incur only share of joint cost, which comes to 12,50,000, which will end up with a profit of 3,50,000. Whereas, if I am further processing, 84,375 will be my profit. Already I calculated. You tell me it's better to sell at the split off point itself because I'm able to earn more profit. Whereas with regard to product B, if I am selling at split off point, my dear lovable students, I can generate a sale of 6,40,000, right, sir? And I have to incur only share of my joint cost, which comes to 5 lakh, and I will be end up with a net profit of 1,40,000. But if I am further processing product B, I can end up with a profit of 4,50,000. It's better. So my decision is product A should be sold at split off point, whereas product B should be sold after, sir, further processing because of the high profitability. What a brilliant, fantastic, outstanding question. My dear lovable students, I hope that you would have also got the right answer. If yes, I am very much interested to know how many of you got the right answer in the comment section. Or if you are having different way of analyzing this question or different way of solving this question, or if different way in which you got the answer, I'm really, sir, motivated to know in what way you have find out, or if you have gone wrong. That is a real learning. That's how I have learned, and I score an exemption when I am studying my, sir, CA. So we'll be meeting you with the another question. Till that, thank you and bye bye from me.